Okay. Got a nice sharp flame. I come in, heating just the very, very edge, about 1 millimeter, just a little bit more as the heat soaks in, gathers. I can pinch it, pull, then heat, then draw away the glass. Again, it just takes a second. And I can gather it up. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the intensity of the flame, which is, for this glass rod, is overkill, and heat up more of the glass rod to form a proper gather, which is basically just a sphere. We'll see how this turns out. I'm also recording this on a thermal camera, and the purpose of that is twofold: to see how much heat is transferred down the length of the glass rod, and how effective the heat shield is. So with just a few seconds, I've got a nice little sphere, or a gather, of glass on the end of the rod. And just let it cool down. And even though it's no longer glowing, it's still incredibly hot. So this is about 7 millimeter rod. For a gather of this size, which is now closer to 9 millimeters, you'll want to wait at least 5 to 10 minutes to let it cool down to ambient temperature. And at this point, I can actually stop rotating, because the glass has cooled enough that it's not going to sag. But again, these drills, fire polishing it, removing some of the glass using tweezers, and then forming a gather, these get you into the most fundamental techniques in scientific glass blowing, both with a lathe and by hand. So this is, again, where you would start as a beginner to learn how to work with this lathe and just do scientific glass blowing techniques in general. And let me get up close and personal. I need to get this into focus. So you can see